Hello everybody, Ben Dimar here again. Today is April 23rd, 2016. Well, me and Pepper are out here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota running some old motors. And I decided to do this one here. Everybody seems to be getting kind of a kick out of me running the twins. So we're going to do triples. We're going to try anyway. So we have a 1952 Johnson JW 3-horse. 1953 Johnson JW 3-horse and a 1955 Johnson JW 3-horse. So let's see if we can get this to work. Hard to get them all in frame. So 1, 2, and 3. Might be interesting to try to steer. So there we go, 6-cylinder 9-horse. Center one is cavitating pretty bad. Okay, that's a lot. I thought driving 2 was a lot, but driving 3 is really a lot. Okay, thought you'd get a kick out of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.